Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Blink camera error code 403. The error reads, "Oops, something went wrong. Status code." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to create a new account but are unable to proceed. According to our research, the error may be caused by network issues or server-side problems from Blink. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. After the restart, try again. If the error still comes, try disconnecting from the internet and then reconnect, and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. Then check for the error again. If the error doesn't resolve, it could be due to server issues. In that case, wait for a few hours and try again. At last, if the error still persists and none of the steps help, then contact Blink customer support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.